I try to film at the same time I'm doing this. I need to get like a better camera setup. But so I'm just working on the back of this guitar neck, and I like my guitar necks really thin, so that's what I'm doing on this one, and it's feeling pretty. It feels pretty good. So yeah, it's coming together, and just a lot of sanding, a lot of sanding right now. So yeah, there's an update, and I am gonna change this channel to a science channel. I just gotta get into it and start doing science stuff because I feel like it'd be a lot of fun. All right, thank you. Bye. Have a wonderful day.